Hello, my friends. YouTube. There's a shot of the sky again. It's September 10th, I think. But I just saw a hawk. Darn it. He or she is circling. That would have been great to capture. Here's my next door neighbor's campsite, Montana. Right? And the day, sadly, Brittany's dad died, there was an eagle that flew right over here, way up top, and soared down the canyon. Just whew. Yeah. So, anywho, first time I've ever seen an eagle up here in 24 years or so. Yeah, I thought we might see this hawk again. Maybe. We'll see. It's just probably right here. There's my favorite tree again. Been following my channel, you know, that's my favorite tree. Yay! Gosh, probably a 2,800-year-old tree. But yeah, here, oh, the wind's picking up. You can hear it. Yeah, we're heading into different seasons, so I guess we're going into fall. And this is Sierra foothills in California here, but wow, yeah, it's yeah, we got some 15 mph, 20-mile-an-hour winds going on. Soon to be 55 mile an hour, 60 mile an hour, so it's something I'm going to be prepared for. All these darn trees are gonna, geez. Oh man, yeah, they're gonna snap. You got any beetle damage? That's what happens. But, yeah. Oh, no, I thought I saw something. So get that darn hawk, but that was rare. Once in a while, I'll see a hawk about every few days. You can hear them chirping in their nests with their babies. Yeah, great place. Yeah. My neighbor's view on our website, but, or sorry, our campsite. It's F-13. She rarely comes up anymore, but it's got a great view. Soon to be snow. Be a bunch of white stuff everywhere on the streets, on the trailers. This guy never comes up anymore, Dave. It's for sale. F7. Yeah, he's pretty much just giving it away, whatever. And the trailer's kind of done, but fixable. Yeah. It's kind of what I got going on today. Just hanging out. I cooked for my elderly friends. They made some chicken and rice and gravy. My wife's recipe, so yeah, it's good. Oh wow, there's there's chemtrail. Oh no, there you go. Oh wow, look at that. There's something. What the heck is that? It's a UFO. No, it's just a I think it's the jet stream from the jets. They fly over our area all the time. Yeah. Dropping this crap. There's one there. There's one there. There's an old one there. That might be cumulus clouds. So we do have some rain coming in, possible later in the week. That'd be really awesome. Thunder showers maybe, I don't know, but we'll see. Yeah. So that's why I want to tarp our trailer. There's our trailer, the Challenger by Keystone, for sale. 28K or best offer. Yeah, pretty much. I don't know. I always toyed with selling it, but she's a beauty. Yep. I love to hate it. I miss my grandson, so it's time to go back home again. Yeah, trying to find a hawk. Dang it. There's no hawks. I don't want to get you in the sun too much, but man, I don't see any hawks. Wow. Yeah, they're probably the red-tailed hawks. They're really cool. Majestic bird. Let's see, I don't see any. Dang it. Yeah, everything's for sale up there. Everything is for sale up here, pretty much. Yeah, there's the old Tahoe. It's kind of, fixable, like I said, but this one is for sale too, and 6,000 or 8,000, something like that, for best offer. But Mojave, just campsites been up here. $175 a month, something like that. 170 for keeping your site association dues up here. Oh wow, that cloud actually. Wow, the chemtrail. It was way up here, and it went down. That's weird. Like the wind took it. The chemtrail. That's really cool. Yeah, big trees. Yikers. And we'll see what happens. This year, we already had was it 2-3 trees fall on our campsite? I'll show you one that hit. It's right down here. I love this tree, by the way. It's an old, not real old, but it's a cedar. I always put Christmas lights on that. It's like a Christmas tree. It's a perfect Christmas tree. So I need to do solar lights on that this year. I always like the multicolor. They're great. Yeah, he had his big pine tree taken out. Right there. That was alive and way up here when we bought this site, but had beetle damage, so we took that out. Obviously the cedar next to it had to come out. So sad. Since these beetles been here for, gosh, probably longer than people were here. And then there's our site, F14, Calaveras County Timber Trails, 1071 Avery Sheep Ranch Road, Avery, California, 95224. Yeah, this one right here. This one is just rotten. It actually, half of it fell on top of our back area, our back bedroom, and it just knifed our bedroom in the back. So yeah, thank goodness insurance paid, but that's kind of about it. Oh yeah, I'll show one more tree if you want. That fell, but I got them all out of here. We had this one removed, I think. This one was a threat, so I removed that. But the big one over here, sorry, my generator's running. Right there. That was recent. It just barely missed our trailer. It still cost me about $1,200 because the awning got ripped. That cedar fell. So yeah, anywho, just wanted to kind of check in here. There's a scrub jay. I love these birds. They're like little monkeys. All right, well, enjoy your day and have better tomorrow.